Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Christian Sherelle checking back in. Y'all, sorry it took me so long to make another video. I've been busy working all these hours, these days, putting in good work, making this money while I can, and exploring New York. As y'all can see right now, I got my scrubs on. I'm on my way to work right now. So yeah, for those of you who are new to this page, this channel, y'all need to like, comment, and subscribe and join the Christian Sherelle family, because you don't know what you're gonna be missing out on if you don't. That's right, you're gonna be missing out. Now that y'all have liked, comment, and subscribed to my channel, let's get into what this video is going to be about today. So, I am going to hit on what I know all travel nurses, most nurses want to know. Is COVID crisis pay coming to an end? Whew. Whew. All right, beautiful women, beautiful men. I can't give y'all a definite answer on if COVID crisis pay is coming to an end or not, or if COVID is getting under control, because I know we all see that in some areas it's spiking up still, and in some areas it's going down a lot. So we all know they came out with the COVID vaccine, which a lot of people have been taking. So a lot of people predict that everything's going to be under control by the year of 2022, or maybe even before then. So considering that, they are projecting that the COVID crisis number are continually trending down. So with that being said, if the COVID numbers are going down, of course the COVID crisis pay is going to go down as well, because the nurses aren't going to be needed as much as they were needed at the beginning when the COVID crisis first hit. So I can't, like I said, give you a definite answer, but I can tell you what I have noticed and what I think may happen. So let's just start off with, you notice that in some areas they have been sending nurses home. They have been on crisis assignment. The contracts have been ending and they have been sending them home. If they haven't been sending them home, they have been decreasing the amount of pay that they have been getting, that they have been making for all this time. Because I have a couple friends who took assignments in Texas, which was a hot spot for the longest. I know from like June all the way up until March, it was like the really hot spot where everyone was going, getting the best contracts, all that good stuff, because that's what crisis was, because that's where COVID was highest at the moment. So I do have a couple friends that have been sent home, or their pay have been decreased in Texas due to the fact that the numbers are declining. But like in up north areas of California, I also have friends that are still making a nice amount of money doing their COVID contracts, or just like contracts in general. So it kind of hits at, I know a lot of hospitals lost a lot of nurses when COVID first started, because they wanted to jump on the wagon of travel nursing. With that being said, I know a lot of hospitals are offering contracts with high paying numbers because they are short staffed, not necessarily because of COVID. However, I do recommend, if you want to get on this bandwagon of making the crisis money, this is the time to do it, because like I said, the contracts are declining and the pay is decreasing as well. So if you're gonna do it, this is the time to do it, because this may be the tail end of the nurses making all of this money a week. So what you waiting on, girl? You better go get this shmoney before it ain't there no more. Me personally, I am still in New York and I am on a COVID crisis assignment myself. And there are several companies that are still out here as well. And I don't see us going home no time soon. Within, I say we probably at least got like a month or two left. But that's just what I project. Like I said, I'm not sure how right, or I could be wrong. So I'm just telling you what I know. So y'all should do it. I'm on my way to work now. Got my scrubs on. Finna go make me some money while I still can. I plan on staying on this contract. Well, I'm not even in a contract. I plan on staying at this job as long as possible, because I think this may be the last one that I may getting paid what I'm getting paid. Because I'm getting paid a decent amount of money, y'all. Get paid like I was getting paid last year. Now, I don't know how many more companies are still paying that much, but if y'all find it, hop on it hop on it because it's not gonna last. So like I mentioned in my previous videos, I was a travel nurse before COVID hit. So even if the COVID crisis pay is coming to an end, don't feel bad because there's still going to be contracts out there that are still paying more than staff. So even though it might not be the thousands of thousands we were getting paid during the pandemic, we're going to get paid very well still for traveling. So y'all, it's not too late. You can still go make some money and rack up some money just by traveling at a regular hospital anyway. So y'all, I feel sorry for those of you who didn't jump on the wagon when COVID was in its prime. But like I said, if y'all find it now, it's not too late. If you get one, hold on to it as long as possible. So, alright. So even though COVID crisis pay may be coming to an end, I think we just passed the phase of like the pandemic and the people in the hospital dying left and right. Don't get me wrong, the people in the hospital are still sick and still need nurses' help. It's just not requiring as much attention as it did at the beginning of the pandemic. Right now, I have been noticing that a lot of vaccine jobs have been available, and so a lot of people have been hopping on that. Now, the pay on that is decreasing as well, but if you can find a really good paying vaccine job, that's very good too. Who would want to give shots all day or draw up and mix the medication? Shoot, I know I would. I probably would prefer doing that as compared to working in a hospital, what I'm doing now. But the pay ain't going to be the same. So, y'all, it's so much more we can do besides work in a hospital to take care of COVID patients and make good money. Like I said, you can look into traveling, do the vaccine jobs, all that good stuff, y'all. Don't just give up because of the COVID crisis. Pay is going down. Still look into traveling because you're still going to make more money as a travel nurse as compared to a staff, and you'll still get the experience of going to different places and meeting new people and enjoying the culture as compared to just staying to where you normally work at the hospital. So even if you did miss out on the COVID crisis money, like look at it as okay, well now I have the courage to go out and now try to travel. In case something like this does happen again, you'll already have your feet wet and know what to expect, and you won't let the opportunity pass you by again because you let it pass you by the first time. And for those of you who did hop on the COVID crisis train when everything was going well and we were getting paid really good, kudos to you. Congratulations. I know y'all put in good work, hard work. It was not easy, and I know the money that you made changed your life. I can't wait to see what you guys do in the future with all the money that y'all made. I hope you guys invested and build generational wealth for your family and here on out. I hope you guys make dreams and reach goals that you thought you wouldn't reach, because I know I am. So yeah, y'all, I'm happy that the COVID pandemic is coming to an end, y'all, because it was very sad seeing all the people lose the lives that they lost. Whoo, yeah. So I'm just gonna make this video sweet, short, and simple because I'm on my way to work now. As you can see, I'm in my scrubs, still in New York. Y'all, I'm trying to ride this out as long as possible and make as much money as I can. Oh, but y'all, this may be the last video I make until I get back home because I'm tired of shooting in this background. I'm ready to go home. You hear me? I'm ready to be in my room. So yeah, y'all stay tuned for when your girl go home. I've been out since, I want to say, the beginning of January, no, the middle of January, like January 15th, where I went to Des Moines, Iowa. I was there up until the beginning of February. I've been in New York from February 3rd all the way up until now, and it's April 7th, 8th, no, it's April 11th. So I've been out on this assignment for a little bit. So ooh, y'all, I'm tired. And then I was in Texas from June all the way to November, the day before Thanksgiving. So yeah, your girl tired. I'm ready to go home. I'm ready to be in my own ambience of what I like. But the girl had to go make her shmoney. So like I always say, if y'all like my videos, like, comment, and subscribe. I didn't want to make this video too long because I just want to get straight to the point. So yeah, y'all stay tuned for more videos. Bye. Also, If y'all have any ideas or any suggestions on videos y'all want me to make regarding nursing or just anything in general, y'all let me know. Write it down in the comments. Message me on Instagram, Facebook, all that good stuff. And I definitely will try to get those videos in and out for y'all. Because right now I am busy working the days, like I said, in New York and all of that. But I still would answer the questions and get the videos out that y'all want to see. Because I'm here for y'all. I'm here for the people. Kristen want to help the people. Help my fellow nurse friends. All right, y'all. Peace. Bye.